Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to the new Build Your Stash and Craft week 9.1. Because I did it again, I forgot to tell you at the end of the last video what we're going to need for next week. So hopefully I won't keep doing this, but if I do, I'll get it up there as a separate video like this so you'll always know the week before what you're going to need. So what I picked up for this week from the Dollar Tree, I picked up a little jar of instant coffee. And I'm not sure where this came from, but I know you can get funnels at the Dollar Tree, but we will need a funnel. I forgot to get one, and I won't be going back to town for quite a while, so I went ahead and pulled this out of my art room. And we will need 2 sets of these 3 bottles. These are not spray bottles. They're just the regular kind of bottles that will drip out. And so we need 2 sets of those. A wash basin, and then, which I also got at the Dollar Tree, and then we will need some Kool-Aid. This is unsweetened Kool-Aid, no sugar in it, just plain old Kool-Aid. They were 24 cents a piece, so I picked up 6 of those, or 5 of those, so that's another $1.25. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items at $1.25. That is $7.50. So we spent our whole budget this week. And so, let's see, what did we have? We had $22.25 in our bank that we've saved up so far. And so we'll still have $22.25 in our bank. We're also going to need some of our copy paper that we purchased. We're going to need the gloves that we bought last week. And from our household items, we're going to need a couple of garbage bags. Or if you don't have plastic garbage bags, like plastic Walmart bags or Menards bags or whatever like that, but you're going to need some plastic. So that's what we're going to need for next week's project. And I did want to show you, this is one of the clear faux washies that we did. And I was telling you about the white on the back after they dry. And since they're dry now, I thought I would show you. You can see here, it's maybe kind of hard for you to see, but you can see the white there and a little bit there and there. So this is where you can go back and put it in the water and go ahead and rub those white spots off. There's a little bit on this one here. So this one is almost half of it, still has a little bit of white on it. So, but it doesn't, you don't have to take that off. It just makes it less see-through. Let's see if we put this on here. So we know that the top half of this little blanket here is pretty good, but the bottom half still had quite a bit of white on it. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see a little bit of that writing through here, but down here you can't see it, and that's because it still has that white paper on the back, so it isn't see-through in that spot. You know, it's a little bit see-through, but not enough to read the words behind it. So after it's dry, you can go in and you can find those spots, and you don't even have to stick it back in the water. What you can do is get your finger wet and get those areas wet, and then let them sit for just a second, and then again, get your finger wet again, and then just rub on that spot. So let's see, I have a little bit of water here. Let's see if we can, yeah, see, just put the water where the white is. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has rubbed off. We've got the little rolls of paper here that have rubbed off of that spot. So you can just do that so that you can see the spots that you want to get the white off of, instead of putting it in the water, in a basin of water, and you know, then having to try and remember where those spots were. So I just kind of wanted to just show you that. So, but that one turned out really well also. And that's what we did this week, was we made our own clear faux washi tape. We made our own film reels, and we made our own stickers. So that's what we did for week 9. I hope that you enjoyed that video, and I hope that if you play along next week, you have a really good time. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. Hit the bell if you want to see all of my videos. Thanks again. I do appreciate you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.